for Bon Bon. Bon Bon, I will save you. Ah! I missed it by a mile. Oh!
Yeah, you sure missed it.
My hand is stuck in the cannon.
I'm going in the cannon.
Bye-bye!
Foxy, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna go,
What? I want to go in the pool.
I'm gonna go, yeah, okay, sure.
Let's go in the pool.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, Bonnie!
Whoa, I want like half the football field.
Come on, let's go in the pool.
To get there quicker, I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna go into the pool.
Ooh.
I'm gonna fly.
Go.
Let's jump.
Okay,
I died.
I'll help you. There's 2 people dead. How am I supposed to save this girl?
This is what. Nothing. We're making a video. Nothing.
Okay, I saved that girl.
This is what you call. This is what happens when you miss the pool.
I need to push you. I need to push you off. Come on.
I can't. I think I broke my legs.
Or do you want to push me off?
Fine, I'll push you. That's it. I'm a bully now. I'm gonna bully you.
Okay.
I will push you.
I
I
don't
will
know
save
what
you.
happened there.
I will save
Okay.
you.
You need
There's a dog.
How did that guy just explode?
There is a dog. That's a dog. I killed a dog.
Why is that guy so big?
Oh my gosh. He's so big and meaty. He's so big and meaty.
I don't know what's wrong.
Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you?
There's something wrong with this
Wait, I'm about to
guy.
jump on his head. Oh, I fell.
Ow!
I'm.
Okay, push me off again.
Hi, bro.
because
Oh,
something-
wait, there's a grenade. Run. Get out.
How?
He dropped a grenade.
He's like the creator.
He is.
No, he's not.
What if he is? Wait, leave and I'll check his name. Wait, I'll check his name real quick.
Okay.
It's out now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, this is gonna be the end of my video.
This is gonna be the end of my video.
So bye.
I hope you enjoyed this poopy cringy video. That will probably get so many dislikes in the world that it